Is Satoshi Nakamoto a human or something beyond? Let's uncover the real truth behind the mysterious creator of Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto is the name used by the unknown person or group of people who created Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency. In 2008, Satoshi published the now famous Bitcoin whitepaper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, outlining a revolutionary system for digital money that operates without a central authority. On January 3, 2009, they launched the Bitcoin network by mining the Genesis block, marking the birth of a technology that would change the global financial landscape forever. Despite their monumental impact, Satoshi's true identity has never been revealed. They communicated with early developers through forums and emails for a brief period, but mysteriously disappeared from the public eye in 2011, leaving behind a trail of innovation, unanswered questions, and a fortune in Bitcoin that has never been touched. Satoshi Nakamoto first appeared online in October 2008 when they shared a link to the Bitcoin whitepaper on a cryptography mailing list hosted at medstow.com. This was the first public introduction of the idea behind Bitcoin. Satoshi used the email address satoshi@vistamail.com, later also satoshin@gmx.com, and communicated strictly through emails and online forums, never revealing any personal details. One of the main platforms Satoshi used was the Bitcoin Talk forum, where they posted technical explanations, answered questions, and guided early developers during Bitcoin's infancy. Satoshi registered the username Satoshi on bitcointalk.org and made their first forum post on November 22, 2009. Interestingly, they also registered the domain bitcoin.org in August 2008 using an anonymous service. Satoshi had no known social media accounts, no verified voice, and never used video or voice communication. Their entire online presence was limited to written text, meticulously private, and always focused on the technology, not personal fame. Their last known public message was posted in December 2010, and they stopped replying to emails entirely by April 2011, vanishing from the digital world without a trace. Over the years, countless theories and investigations have attempted to uncover the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, but none have been definitively proven. Some believe Satoshi is Hal Finney, a legendary cryptographer and the recipient of the first ever Bitcoin transaction, who lived just blocks away from Dorian Nakamoto, a man once mistakenly identified as Satoshi. Others point to Nick Szabo, a computer scientist and the creator of BitGold, a precursor to Bitcoin, noting linguistic and conceptual similarities between his writings and the Bitcoin whitepaper. Another popular theory involves Craig Wright, an Australian entrepreneur who claims to be Satoshi but has failed to provide credible cryptographic proof, leading most of the crypto community to dismiss his claims. Some even speculate that Satoshi could be a group of developers or a government-backed project, due to the sophistication of Bitcoin's code and the perfect timing of its release during the global financial crisis of 2008. Despite years of digital forensics, linguistic analysis, and media investigations, Satoshi's identity remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern tech history, perhaps intentionally, as true decentralization begins with anonymity. Estimated wealth. Satoshi is generally believed to own between 750,000 and 1.1 million Bitcoin. Due to Bitcoin's volatile price, Satoshi's estimated net worth fluctuates significantly. Recent estimates, as of late May/early June 2025, place their wealth in the range of $113.8 billion to over $120 billion, which would rank them among the world's richest individuals. Wallet details. While Satoshi's identity is unknown, blockchain analysis has identified certain Bitcoin addresses as likely belonging to them. These are often linked by unique early mining patterns, sometimes referred to as the Satoshi pattern. One well-known address associated with Satoshi is, which is the address that received the first 50 bitcoins from the Genesis block, block number 0. Blockchain analytics firms like Arkham Intelligence have identified thousands of addresses, around 22,000, believed to be associated with Satoshi, holding a total of over 1 million BTC. A notable characteristic of these holdings is that the vast majority of these bitcoins have remained untouched. Satoshi Nakamoto may be gone, but their vision lives on. In a world of financial uncertainty, Bitcoin stands as a symbol of freedom, innovation, and mystery, all started by someone who chose anonymity over fame. The legend continues.